Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today on Matt's World DIY, I'm going to change the trimmer head on my string trimmer. It's a RYOBI 40 volt battery powered string trimmer. I got my new trimmer head from Amazon. I'll put a link in the description, but let's go ahead and get to this job. It's really simple, so let's do it. So here's the new trimmer head. I just need to take and screw off the old one and screw the new one back on, and we're in business. So line up this notch with this little hole here. I'm gonna use a screwdriver and just place it in there like that. While holding on to it, turn this clockwise to remove it. Just keep the screwdriver in place, turn this until it comes off. It screws right off. There it is. Okay, there's the old one, it's gone. Here's the little locking bracket. I want to clean this out just a little bit. Okay, put that back on and take my new my new trimmer head, and just line it up and turn it counterclockwise. I'm gonna get it started. There we go. Turn it counterclockwise. I'm gonna get my screwdriver aligned in there once again, and then continue turning it until it's nice and tight. And we're good. That's the job. Let's go do some trimming outside. This new RYOBI trimmer head works super great. It works smoothly and is 100% responsive. I highly recommend it if you're looking for maintaining your RYOBI trimmer. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and also check out some of my other DIY videos on my DIY playlist. See you next time.